everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your queen of headwear, Queen B Unique Creation. Don't mind my voice, I'm a bit strong, but I just have to do this video. So hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Queen B of Queen B Unique Creation. So today guys, I just wanted to come on here and have a heart-to-heart talk with you guys. This video might not be too long, as you all can know that this is not my regular kind of video. But for me to be able to make this video, you should know that it is very, very important. So please, kindly watch this video to the end if you care about our journey and how we have been together. You all know how much I love sharing tutorials on headwear, turban, fascinator, automatically here on YouTube with you guys. But it actually became a part of me, a passion that connects me to all of you. But lately, I have been going through some challenges behind the scenes. Firstly, my YouTube identity verification the process has been delaying. I've tried everything I can to do it by myself, but it has become so frustrating. I couldn't do it by myself. I've tried every means I can. It has been delaying and very, very discouraging. And to make matters worse, my phone storage is full. It's full. I use one phone for the tutorial, for personal use, for my business. And it's affecting my ability to create and edit long videos like I used to. So after thinking deeply, I've decided to take a short break from YouTube. But that doesn't mean I'm stopping YouTube completely. No, I'm not. It's just for me to find help on how to resolve the YouTube identity verification. And please, this is a call for help also. If you know anybody that can assist me concerning this YouTube verification, please kindly WhatsApp the number showing on your screen. That is my number. Message me. Please, anybody that can assist me in one way or the other, because I have tried everything I can. It's still not working, please. And also, for the storage part, for me to be able to get the new phone that will be majorly for my YouTube tutorial, pending the time that I'll be able to do all that. That is why I decided to, take a break from YouTube so that I'll be able to sort all that. And I'm making this video to inform you, my subscriber, because I cannot just go off like that without telling you what is going on, so that you guys will be able to know exactly what the issue and the problem is, in case you have any way to help or assist me. No help is too small. I still want to teach. I still want to connect with you. I still want to inspire you. So now, I will be doing my turban tutorials on TikTok Live. Yes, TikTok Live section, where we can interact directly. It is more spontaneous, more view and easier for me right now because of my storage issue. So please kindly follow me on TikTok at Queen B Autokele and Turban. I'll put the name on the screen so you can just type it and follow me, and I'll put it also in the description box below. Also, my headwear class on Telegram is still on and doing beautifully well. If you have ever wanted to learn more advanced style of turban, just like the one I have on my head, the tutorial is in my Telegram class. So if you ever want to learn more advanced style of turban, this is your chance. The full class is 15,000 naira from January to December. It has already commenced. A lot of tutorials have been posted on it. Tutorials that are not on my YouTube channel has been posted on it. So if you are watching this video from now till the 20th of July, you can join for just 10,000 naira. Yes, and it's from January to December. So all the tutorials I've posted from January to date is still there. Once you join, you have access to those tutorials. So you can pay 10,000 naira if you are watching this video from now till the 20th of July. So this is my small way of saying thank you for your support and for your loyalty over the years. This is not a goodbye. It is just a little shift. Better days are coming, and I will be back on YouTube, stronger, better, and more equipped to give you the tutorials, the content that you deserve. That is not mean I've stopped posting. I'll still be posting on my YouTube shorts. It's just a long video that will be stopped for now because of the issue I mentioned earlier. In the meantime, follow me on TikTok, join my Telegram class if you can, and please keep supporting me. Keep supporting your girl. Your encouragement means more to me than I can ever explain. Thank you for all your views, for all your likes. And if you are watching this video and you want to start a headwear business, turban business, and you don't want to go through the stress of sewing it, I also produce in wholesales. Yes, you can buy from me and resell. You don't need to stress yourself with this sewing process. I will do that for you. So you can also message the number showing on your screen if you want to start a turban business and you don't want to go through the stress of sewing. I have a wholesale deal. Message the number on your screen on WhatsApp and we'll continue from there. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all. I will put the details of the payment for the Telegram class in my description box below. I will put the link to my TikTok page also on the Telegram class below. So the date that the YouTube live class will commence on my YouTube shorts to announce the date that the TikTok live turban tutorial will commence. I love you guys so much, and I will see you either on TikTok live or in class. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Take care.